7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Booyah! Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Today, guys, today is a sale. It's a sale. Okay. We have crypto crashes and pushes Cardano further down the ranks, and Shiba Inu gains on Dogecoin. These two dogs are causing a menace in the crypto space. So let's see what's up. So the global market has crashed over 6% in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin dipping below 60,000 and Ethereum price falling from $4,000. Cardano is now trading below the critical support level of $2 and has dipped further down its ranking, currently coming in 5th. Dogecoin has slipped to the 10th spot, and Shiba Inu persevering through the crash and holding its own Doge shields. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano are all major cryptocurrencies are facing massive market correction right now. The global crypto market has dipped 6.62 in the last 24 hours. More than half of that happened in a 15-minute span. Guys, 15-minute span, okay? It's a 6% dip, and this is a flash crash. To us, it is a sale. So the market-wide crash was reportedly brought by long-term investors booking their profits after seeing the rally in the crypto market last week, and something typically happens after Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the market, hits an all-time high. Not only did Bitcoin cross the 67,000 last week, but others like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana also rose on its coattails. However, after the surge of liquidation, all the cryptocurrencies are trading below their respective critical support levels. Bitcoin below 60,000, Ethereum below 4,000, and Cardano below 2,000. Now, the crypto market nosedive shuffles the ranking of Cardano, which lost its throne as the third largest cryptocurrency in the market last month and has slipped even further to the 5th spot. Now, Tether and Bitcoin both have larger market caps than the coin founded by Charles Hoskinson as an alternative to Ethereum. Now, meanwhile, Dogecoin saw a jump this weekend after tech billionaire Elon Musk called its people's currency and also clarified that he doesn't hold any Shiba Inu, unlike what was speculated in the market since the beginning of the month, when Musk brought home a new pet, Doge Floki, the dog Floki. So yeah, the top cryptocurrency in the world by market value after the crypto dip today. Bitcoin still is 1.1 trillion, which is still a good sign. Ethereum 430 billion, Bitcoin 75 billion, Tether 69, Cardano 65, Solana 57, XRP 47 billion, Polkadot 41, USD 32.5, Doge 31 billion, and Shiba Inu in 11th place. So very soon.
Very soon. I
Very
think
soon.
Dogecoin, Shiba is going to be a Doge killer, I think.
He's gonna put this guy down, and let's see. I think
Very
so.
strong community Shiba has it,
Very
and the
strong, very
craze,
strong.
my God. Now the exchange, they are doing their exchange marketing by the name of Shiba. I've seen in App Store and Google Play Store where that there are certain exchange is mentioned. Want to buy Bitcoin Shiba Inu, download the exchange. This kind of marketing they are using.
So the gap between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin narrows. The only cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 20 billion still green in Shiba Inu. That's being said, Shiba tokens gain for the day are now considerably lower than they were this morning when it hit an all-time high at 0.000059. Now the meme coin has doubled in price since last week and currently bucking the current market trend at a price of 54. Still 26% higher than the last 24 hours. Now, the primary contender, Dogecoin, being down 12.49 since yesterday. The gap in the market cap between the two is now less than $9 billion. Now, Shiba Inu is hot on Dogecoin's heel as the 11th biggest cryptocurrency in the marketplace. Wow. Two meme coin in the top 10. it's amazing how a community that comes together can do wonders for the coin, right, Manish? I think
Yeah,
that's the basis. So
and
have
there are some use cases also coming
coming
for
up.
Shiba Inu. There
Mm,
are a couple of use cases coming today. I'm going to share one of them.
yeah.
So probably, yeah.
Very interesting times. Just a chart you can see later that I'll be covering. So Shiba Inu now came in very strong. So a lot of questions came in whether they should buy Shiba Inu. If I actually look at the chart for SHIB, let's yeah SHIB USDT. Looking at Binance, it's very high. Great money flow here on the Bollinger is still high. um this percentage gain over the last few days, this is a 5 days gain, is already about 136. So you would have 1x your money. You put 10,000, you would have gotten back $20,000, right? So that's how fast in just 5 days. And even with today's dip, it's slightly a bit lower, but look at the RSI, very high volume. Momentum is also still growing. Yeah, but of course, as always, it's less than 1 cent. So throwing $1,000, you get a few million. You can, this Shiba will not go. And it's like what Manish said, there will be new use cases coming in time. Maybe there's this need for to bring Shiba into the top 10 to show Elon Musk that they don't need him. So that's all I have in the news today, Manish.
All right. So let me share something.
So join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, and soon, maybe soon, LinkedIn at 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
One sec. Let me share it again. I think this view is not good. Okay, hold on.
For those who are joining and watching this maybe offline, you can join us on our Telegram group. So before we go live 10 minutes, you'll be notified, and at least you can come on the live channel and ask us any questions you have. We are a growing community. Almost everything that we do is free. Education, we believe, empowers people with the right knowledge. And in time to come, we will be bringing people on the channel to share more on the tokenomics and where the direction of crypto will be going.
Yeah, guys. So today I'm going to talk about this crypto shopping experience. This is one of the uh, leading token, which is called SPI and GSPI. You can check in CoinGecko SPI pricing. Not this one, SPI. So it's shopping.io. So let me give you some glimpse about the ecosystem. Shopping.io, buy online using cryptocurrency with the main website called shopping.io. You can buy. They have a collaborations with Amazon. Let me refresh it once. So they have a collaboration with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and AliExpress coming soon. So all these integrated in just one website called shopping.io, and you will be able to use your 100 plus cryptocurrency to buy a product down here. And they are quite strong in terms of their tokenizations. If you see here, shopping.io SPI is $53 now, and it's 21% up in last 24 hours. The market cap is very impressive, and all-time high was, my God, look at that, 291. So what a dip last 7 months. Oh my God, it was 291 and now it's dropped to 53. So I think it's a good time to buy also. Of course, it's not a financial advice. Do your own research, but look at that, guys. In this is also available in all our favorite exchange, which is KuCoin and Gate.io. So, talking about the ecosystem, SPI is the native tokens to unlock the plan, discount, and benefit on a shopping.io. No SPI is required to make purchase on the shopping.io platforms. So the company mission and vision is to establish mainstream adoptions of crypto e-commerce while engaging a retail on a mass scale. So there was a time when we were also in a drop shipping kind of business. We were exploring those options. So uh, while exploring this comes to our mind thought to cover it today for you guys. So SPI token, it's 1 million tokens in total upon launch. So the number of tokens is very limited. It's just 1 million. No pre-sales, ICO, or team allocations for this. SPI is a utility tokens to be used on the shopping.io platforms. SPI is a ERC20 token, has been audited, and the audit was passed. The audit form was chain consulting audit and IO Cyro audit. So, of course, it's in a Ethereum network. And now the good news is, I was talking about the Shiba Inu, right? Uh, this shopping platforms now started accepting Shiba Inu for your shopping and purchasing. So this is one of the use case, I think, which Shiba Inu will have it. And they keep on. I think Shiba Inu is keep on every day. Shiba Inu being listed in exchange every day. New exchange being introducing this Shiba Inu, and soon it's also going to be in a Robinhood. So that's the main reasons that Shiba price is on the moon. Okay, talking about one thing and then one more information about Shiba. I have it. Okay, so this is about shopping.io. Shiba has come up with a community club and Shiba Swap called shibasys.shibaswap.com. So this is mainly a social club where you can buy NFTs, Shiba related in NFTs. And the moment you launch this website, it will ask you to connect in the Shiba Swap network. By they have their own blockchain network. It will ask you to connect over there and connect it. So once you connect to their network, you will be able to explore many more things. Yeah, you can come down and you can buy NFTs. So these are the couple of use case I thought to share with you because people are crazy about Shiba Inu, and many more is coming. Many more is coming. They are also working on with gaming sites where you can pay and use Shiba Inu to play your games, your favorite games. So these are the three use case which I have seen and which I did a research and thought to share with you guys. So yeah, that's all.
Oh, that's awesome. I wonder what is the let me just change the setting. I wonder what is the is it something different from the Shiba Swap? We have to explore that.
It's going to be a NFT marketplace and
Mm.
communities. So if you see here, join the club. When you click this, it will take you to there's something called Discord, right?
Yeah,
Discord,
this Scott. Yeah.
Discord. Yeah, it's kind of community, one kind of community platforms where you can chat, something like a Telegram.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll just share my screen. So I think Manish was talking about this coin, the SPI, that is used mostly in the e-commerce space. Although the 52 weeks range, it was 295. Right now, it's trading at 53. I think on the day it was launched, sometime in April, we can see a very downtrend. So the people who actually got on this coin started to actually sell. But of course, when they first started it, it was at 295. So right now we have not seen. You can look at this; it's all bearish all the way. Um, this is on the day chart. Of course, yesterday or the day before would have been a nice price to enter. It's right now it's about $10 up.
And could be one reason when they also announced that. Let me. Okay, once you go through this chart, I will share some their
Yeah.
official tweet. Uh, where they announced that they are listing Shiba for shopping purposes. So I think that could be one reason that
So yeah, I think they are actually riding on the trending coin to
mm,
promote. So
to promote
I
themselves.
think you will find out, Manish, when was the date of that mail. I think you are right. If that mail
I
came
have a
out,
Twitter. Yeah, I have it
uh,
later. I will share here.
yeah, so I think if it came out 2 days ago, then most likely the some smart people actually jump on this bandwagon, and the coin, this particular coin pump 40%.
Yeah,
So don't look at the price. Sometimes it's easy to get if you're doing trading. If you're doing trading, don't look at this $53 because then you will feel like, oh, I will acquire less coin. Look at how much you are actually putting $1,000 to make 40% in less than 2 days, right? So can you imagine that this in the last 2 days actually went up to 38.05. So some traders, if you're having the trader mindset, you can make 3 to 7% daily by finding the right coins and having that news pump certain of the coins. You can make 3% over a period of time. Of course, these are really crazy move. Having 40% in less than 2 days, you can't really get that in most traditional markets. So yeah, RSI was very low during that day, so there was a lot of money that came out, but money came back in. It's like what Money said, most likely that tweet actually got out, people share, everybody started. So that's the hype that we always talk about. We always try to find some coins or token that have very good fundamentals, good use cases, like what Money said, the e-commerce space. I think we've been in that space before, so having something like this on a crypto block ledger technology is a very good use case, good utility. And then when the hype comes in, that's the kind of pump you will get. So if you're not in the long term, look at the volume, crazy volume here, and this is in a few millions. So great volume. Even on the MACD, we can see momentum is going. Will it continue to grow? I don't know. It's really considered high on the Bollinger, but you can see the squeeze that happened compared to this bulge here. Means there's down here has a lot of volume that came in, and that's why the price speculate. But if I were to anticipate, even if I were to take this as the current, let me just chart this. We'll be looking at another from the height here. We'll be looking at another 27% potential to actually break this resistance. And currently it is being supported at this. Let me just channelize this to my magnet. Just put this somewhere. I think it's here. Let me just bring this up. Yeah. So it's currently, the support right now is at 43. So we are looking at a range of 43. Yeah, between these two. Basically, we are looking here. It's about 56. So we might see this. Maybe you can make another 23% if you're actually buying this. But if you're going long term, then we have not fully extended, covered this coin. But I think we will do that at some
yeah.
point of time. Manish, you wanted to share something?
Yeah, that's the tweet. Only I just wanted to share, but I realized the tweet is
You can't find it.
not
Okay.
a recent one. Okay, no, I found it already. Yeah, let me share that. Yeah,
And while Manish finds that, I'm just gonna share this screen. I came across this. This was Bitcoin price that actually went down. Now I don't want to spread FUD in the market, but people are claiming that this is following the Elliott wave, and this Elliott wave is actually right now at wave 3. Potentially Bitcoin can go back to this, which I while I use while I use technical charts myself, I don't assume that I have a crystal ball, and using the Elliott wave in terms of guiding sometimes creates a bit of uncertainty. So I am always coming back to the technology. Bitcoin, of course, is the safest bet. Bitcoin is not going to go away, and so if you don't know what to do with your money, just put it in Bitcoin, stake it, and just leave it. Manish, I'm gonna share your screen.
yeah. So as you can see that it was listed in July 6, 2021. So even the Shiva was excited and retweeted the shopping.io's tweet and says that this is a big for Shiba army.
What date was that, Manish?
It was, if you see the Twitter here,
25th.
it was on, yes, it's July 6, 2021. So it's a quite old tweet.
Oh, old post, but somebody reshared it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Very interesting. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. But again, be clear on your what you actually want to do in terms of trading. So let's look at some of the charts. I know some of you have asked, so I'm just going to quickly run through daily to see where we are. Total market cap performance has a very nice dip. Right now, the RSI is trading at 40. Normally, we look at RSI below 30. Money is pouring out. This was the previous channel on the day chart that I was using. We broke the day chart. There will be a new low. Can we come back up and have the channel to this upward channel to support? We have to see how that will play out. And if you look, volume of course has remained the same. That's why the crypto space have never moved, except that 200 billion actually came out in less than 15 minutes. So that's how fast kind of a market reset, and it has a ripple effect. So when you look at a macro level, a simple 5 to 6% drop creates a wave across the board. So you can see Bitcoin similar, right? Similar because mostly 50% of the market comes into this. Right now we are looking at a stop. So if you're doing a stop loss, we'll be looking at a 2.87% down. If you're looking for targets, you will be looking at about 2.87. So right now we are just here. Let me just remove this. Yeah. I don't know. 59,000. Mostly what's going to happen is that there will be an accumulation period that will take place for Bitcoin before we go for the run up. We are still very early. It's only mid of October and November. The taproot for Bitcoin is going to happen. Ethereum 2.0 also is going to come out. So all of these new upgrade to the layer 2 portion of this technology will actually help to boost prices up. And we still have all the EFTs coming in, so just a matter of time. Ethereum of course broke. They are currently now trading slightly below or bouncing off 4,000. I think at the height we went was about 4,003. So that's a 300 drop, but still it's high. RSI is still high. Momentum is building, but if you look on the year growth in terms of people coming in to buy, although there's complaint of the gas fees that is very high, Ethereum is growing. Okay, so that's something to take note. Cardano, very sad. You can see a short that happened. Right now, this has actually blown through the roof. The RSI, this is the best time to buy if you believe that we can get back to the $3 mark. You can make that $1. So if you buy it now below $2 and it hits to 3, you would actually 1x your money. So something to take note. Good buy if you are buying Cardano. But the question is really when, because they have not. I think the CEO has resigned, or fired. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me. But he was not able to actually meet the project timelines, and then a lot of investors actually lost faith in Charles Hoskinson and all his commitments that of those 1,000 application DApps that will come in. So right now, just something to take note. The Bollinger, as you can see, has become a squeeze on the day chart, right? So typically when this happens, it will actually pop, right? It will pop back. So you look at this, squeeze, almost squeeze, right? They're so close to each other, and then suddenly you have a very nice spike of 117%. So that's 1x. And this took over 25 days. So the question is this a sign to actually have it somewhere here, right? A squeeze for it to bounce back to $3. That's the question that you have to make.
This was also having a very strong use case, but I don't think the success, because these are few coins has really very strong use case.
Right.
This is almost similar like Solana also.
Yeah, it can be, but I don't know. I think we and then the name sometimes they use Manish is so very German, and right. Remember he had the 5 roadmap. Right, he had the 5 roadmap. Yeah. Manish is busy.
No, yeah.
So yeah, the short squeeze. So something to take note. If you are actually trading, take note of that. Dogecoin. Of course, Doge right now. I don't know what's going to happen. The community, maybe they see Shiba is coming for them. So that's something to take note. Maybe they will pick themselves up, but very low now, 21. We still price prediction at $1. The other few more coins I'll be covering at some point of time. Now, Block, of course, has been going very strong. I've actually just mapped the Fibonacci to see the trading portion between the green. So 0.32 to 0.16, they are actually
What is the last 1 hour status?
in the last 1 hour. If we look at the hour chart right now is still 0.05. Slightly a bit of dip here at the 39, but on the 4 hours we are very we see a bit of bearish coming in, right? But on the day chart still very strong. So let's see what's going to happen. Right now having support at the it's still high. I can't find the support yet, but let's see.
It makes us a little bit scared also, because from the day it launched, it's just growing only. It's just somebody is just pouring money. So I think we should also find out certain news about this. What is the reason behind this gain, this pump? Is it the game is going to launch, or their game is almost ready and then they are doing some marketing stuff? We have to find out somehow the reason of this pumps.
Yeah, and this has from the day it started, which was how many days ago, we are looking at 23,000% increase. 23,000. So for us who actually got in somewhere here, we are already seeing a few X that we made. But imagine those people who actually came in here at a 0.06 cents today, 23,000%. So Block is still phenomenal. Is one
And
of the
red candles are very less,
yeah, very less, because good community, 70,000 and growing, and then they came out in top three beside Shiba, and they are trying to fight Shiba in terms of that growth. And there's a lot of people. I think there's one guy called Mando. He's actually leading the Block army, and I think always remember the project haven't started yet. The NFT sold out. 3-phase NFT sold out. It became a lock-in. Everybody is going to get the APY payout. And now we are just waiting for the NFT land, the sale of the land. So something to take note. TCP also great run up. Right now on the day chart again it's bearish, but still people are still catching. There will always be this portion of buyer and seller, for a simple reason is because they are actually playing to win TCP coins. So very nice run up. It may be coming down a bit lower, so that maybe more people come into the market because it's cheap. You don't want it to be too expensive, and then you don't have that growth. So that's how the cycle of the bears and bulls work. So the bear comes in, so other people feels that now it's time, because they felt that they miss out, right? Now they come in, and then the people who already went in will start to if they sold out everything, they came out from their position, they should be able to walk away from the table and not look back and said, I should have not sold it, or I should have sold 50%. So there's always this thing that happens with traders, right? IX swap, of course, slight increase because of some gift that they recently gave out. I thought that it was 10,000, but I'm still waiting for them to actually transfer that to my Polygon wallet. I heard from one of my friend is only 100 for those who participated in the airdrop. So let's see, 100 coins. Let's see. Terra, of course, right now a big dip that came down. So I've increased my position, because looking at the 4 hours chart, you can see Terra has crazily dropped. This RSI is really over and beyond sold. So getting in there, you can see that slowly it's creeping up. And potentially, if you are doing trading of Terra and it breaks its high, you can make 50%, right? So $1,000 you put in, you're going to take 50%. That is $500. So something to think about for Terra. Again, all of these are just interpretation of the charts in the crypto space. Anything can happen, and this is not financial advice. You still have to do your own research and make the choice. So let's see. Market 73, good. This is T-1. So we will know the actual dip in terms of this tomorrow, because there's a dip that happened just a few hours back. US stock market still BAU as usual. Nothing to look at there. Top 3 trending coins: Doge, Solana, BNB coins. So Bitcoin currently down by 5.23, Ethereum down by 4.38, BNB down by 6.23, Cardano down by 9.16, again below $2. Solana down by 8.23, XRP down by 7.62. Polkadot
XRP is a very good time to buy.
yeah, I just XRP, I think really just like keep buying thousands of dollars and just leave it there, because this is known as the banker's coin, and they're just waiting for the SEC. Polkadot down by 4.82, and look at this, Dodge 11.07, and Shiba right below Dodge.
My God.
So Shiba, if somebody is going to buy Shiba now, I think it's a good time to buy on the notion that the tribe are gaining that momentum to try to push Dodge out from 10th place. So something to take note of that. And so BTC, of course, still price prediction 100,000, Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB $1,000, Cardano $3 to $5, Solana 200 to 250, XRP they win the lawsuit $20. Some people are speculating $80. I don't know. Let's see. Polkadot 85, Dodge $1, Shiba very hard to predict. These few zeros makes me a bit confused, so I will not try.
No, it has an unlimited supply, same like Ethereum.
But they have the burn now.
They have a burn now, but Ethereum also is an unlimited supply. But look at that. But they have a use case, a strong use case. That's why the price is going high. Shiba earlier did not have any use case, though it's unlimited. But they have fine-tuned the burning process as well as the use case there.
The use case, yeah. So sooner or later, when they have more adoption on Shiba, I think we will be in good hands. So other coins to take note, as I've always said, Luna, Avalanche, Chainlink, Algorand, Matic. I will cover this together with Manish this weekend. Cosmo.
Yeah, Matic is also one of our favorite coin now, because this is going to be next Solana. This and XRP, we are keeping eyes.
Yeah, we are keeping eyes on that. And VeChain, of course, still undervalued. Cosmos, and we have Phantom also flying, and FTX, and yeah, that's about it. And DAI also something strike my mind, because we have Gemini.
DAI, you have a good staking option. Other than that, there is no trading benefits in this.
No trading benefits, but it's a good safe measures if you are putting.
88% API.
Yeah, we always put as USDT because most of the coins are pair. DAI is also stable, but then it's a bit hassle. That's why I miss Binance, because we could quickly swap the coins and then swap to USDT and purchase the coin based on the pairing. But for KuCoin and all, it's a bit difficult. There's no swapping features, Manish.
Yeah.
So that's something to take note. Another up and coming, also gaining momentum, HBAR. I haven't done a research on it, but something to look at. Of course, CRO is the one of the good ones. Something that if you are looking for credit cards and those cards tied to crypto, they have a very nice range of credit card. Aave today was ranked number 2 in the microcap coin. When I say microcap, not in terms of the market cap, but in terms of the social engagement, social media. So Aave seems to be coming up together with GRT. So let's see over that. So of course, Bitcoin today is still considered as a bubble. It's more than 58,000 based on the rainbow charts. Looking at, was just checking on some of the coins owned. Not much change. Michael Saylor still have at 100,000. Tesla. I was just seeing when anybody was actually buying with this, recent sale. Block One, of course, Tezos, Grayscale, they all have the same amount. Looking at countries also, I don't see any increase. Bulgaria, Ukraine, El Salvador, and Georgia, right? Hashing for Bitcoin, it's climbing. We have actually just, the last time it actually dipped was at 149. Now we're at 150. So we still have hashing power to reach 180. So that's all I have.
That's all
today. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Join us in the Telegram group and keep buying.
See you tomorrow, guys. Yeah.
Take care.
Take care.